Are you recording the sound?
Yeah, I got it. I'm doing a recording. So
Okay.
I'll record it. We're gonna go around one more time. Go ahead.
Guys, how was y'all's day today? Good?
Run him down.
Mine was too. Actually, a calm day. Oh, I have to slow down on these corners. 6, 7.
Run him down.
Dust. He just got left in the
Into the mean
dust.
streets of Hebron.
Let's go.
Speak alone.
These bumps are killing me. Literally. I could fall. These cracks in the road. I'm doing 19 round. I left them in the dust, guys.
All right, come on. Let me stay on your side.
Huh? Hey, you can move here.
Yep. Yeah, go ahead and turn. Turn.
No, me was good. I saw her pulling up fast. No.
Ooh.
I said I was good.
Huh?
I said I was good because...
Turn it off. You start the camera.
Yeah.